Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Zoom Workplace. To log into your Zoom Workplace, first of all, open up your Zoom application on your mobile device and then, in the first welcome screen, go ahead and tap on Sign In. You will then need to choose a method to sign into your account. You can either choose email address and password option, continue logging in with Apple, Google, Facebook, or with SSO. Select any one option you'd like to sign in with. I will choose the Enter Email option. Type in your email address and password associated with your Zoom account and tap on Sign In. On the next page, verify your email by checking in your email inbox. Open up the same email that you signed up for Zoom with. You will then see a login code appearing inside your inbox. Go ahead and type it down inside the Zoom application text boxes. After typing down the code correct, you will be logged into your account. You will now see your meetings dashboard, and that is it. You can now easily host or join video meetings, chat with your team, schedule meetings, share your screen, and much more. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye till then.